Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Poco F4, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications from the right side, or toggles I should say, and expand it, and then here you'll find your battery saver toggle. So once you see it, you can simply tap on it. As you can see, it, unlike all the other toggles, it turns in this kind of yellowish color, yellow-orangish, to signify that it's running, and also turns the same color, the battery in your status bar. So there we go. Now during this mode, there's a couple of things happening in the background that you might not be aware of. So probably one of the most important ones would be your mobile data and hotspot, or not hotspot, but your mobile data and Wi-Fi is being turned off when the device is in sleep mode, and this is considered a sleep mode. So after a couple minutes of basically inactivity, the phone goes into sleep mode and it will turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data to preserve battery life. So if you're wondering why you're not receiving any kind of notifications from applications like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on, that's basically the reason for it. Power saving mode is just kind of turning off the internet and the apps. The phone has no way to actually gain access to internet, and thus cannot get any kind of notifications or updates from those applications. Now when you unlock the device like it is right now, it will automatically reconnect and sync up everything that was missing. And once you're done with your power saving mode, you can find the toggle once again, tap on it, and everything will go back to functioning normally. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.